Kaya kailangan natin na maging tapat. And you can exercise your God-given abilities and become highly skilled at using them, but they will be truly impactful only if you use them to serve God and others. Inisip natin na kaya ba natin ito or hindi. Ganun. And then, to make things happen, but why will God give us these desires unless He also give us the way to fulfill them? Abilities are God's gift. Yeah, so gift daw ito to enable us to carry out whatever He created us to do. As we use and sharpen these abilities, we find great joy. We find great joy in living out our God-given purposes. So, maharap natin yung kasiyahan, and then ang Diyos, yung kakayahan na binigay sa atin or gift, merong purpose or measures these abilities ultimately determines our quality of life. Quality defined not as comfort or the accumulation of things. So, hindi to comfort. Minsan, yan, kailangan natin na umalis sa comfort zone natin para mas mag-improve pa. And, but as character, joy, and a lasting satisfaction, our goal is first to discover our abilities. Yan. So, ngayon, yung iba kasi, kailangan pang i-discover yung mga kakayahan natin. Sabi dito na, but godliness is profitable unto all things. Lahat. Hindi lang siya katawan, hindi lang siya wisdom, kundi may blessing din. And then sabi dito na, having promise of the life that now is, and of that which is to come. Yan. So, kapag naging makajus tayo, naging sinasanay natin yung sarili natin na maging masipag, nag-exercise tayo lagi, magiging maganda yung pamumuhay natin. Well done, my good and faithful servant. You have been faithful in handling this small amount. So now, I will give you many more responsibilities. So kapag, sabi ko sa kanina, na kapag sa maliit pa lang, pinagkatiwalaan na tayo, paano pa kaya sa malaki? So kaya-kaya natin itong i-handle yung responsibility. A desire and a capability to the wonderful things because we were made in the image of God. Yan. So, sabi dito na minsan meron tayong dinidesire na kakayahan natin or kaya natin gawin. And a capability to do wonderful things because we were made in the image of God. Ginawa tayo o ginawa tayo ng Panginoon, parang ang Diyos na madami siyang kakayahan na ginagawa. Yan. And then, we inherited from Him the desire to create, accomplish, to make things happen. Yan. So, dahil meron tayong kakayahan, magkakaroon din tayo ng accomplishment. Refuse profane and old wives, fables, and exercise thyself rather unto godliness. Verse 8, for bodily exercise profiteth little, but godliness is profitable unto all things, having promise of the life that now is and of the which is to come. Kaya nga, mas maganda na unahin ng Panginoon. And properly exercising our abilities will help us grow spiritually. So, kapag proper yung exercise natin, our abilities will help us grow spiritually. Yan. So, kailangan na maging proper. Tapos, naging mahusay ka. Thou hast been faithful over a few things. I will make thee ruler over many things. Bibigay niya lahat ng mga bagay sa'yo, basta maging katiwala lang tayo ng matatandang babae. At sanayin mo ang iyong sarili sa pagiging makadiyos. Ang hirap maging makadiyos, ang hirap maging banal. But pipilitin natin na maging banal. Bakit? Magbubunga siya ng maging mabuting tao, magbubunga siya ng pagiging mabuting empleyado, magbubunga siya ng blessing. Kasi nga, naging makadiyos tayo.